Orchard House by Earthbound Architecture and Namelok in HEEMSTEDE, the Netherlands. Merging with the green surroundings of a century-old estate, the orchard house unveils its boldly crafted roof. While its sturdy and authentic presence does not lie, the orchard house presents a rich palette of thoughtfully arranged materials, informed by markers of its environment. Orchard walls, timber framework, and roof, like the brickwork of an existing wall of the vegetable garden, adjacent to the house. The inner house walls were laid out of the same reclaimed Hilversums-format brick. This visually structuring element encapsulates the first layer of the design effort. Contrary to the garden where pears flourish, they do not thrive alongside these walls. Instead, the house's main functions seamlessly integrate into this partitioning element. A structural solid oak timber framework surrounds the masonry walls. The singular expression of the front and back elevations generates a variable roof shape. It plays a strong and defining role in the inside space and overall aspect of the house, extending on both sides of the two gardens. A private reading room on the side of the orchard, and an open dining area offer views of the vegetable garden. Reinvented local shapes, starting as a traditional mansard roof, referencing the surrounding building shapes. The roof later unfolds, transposing into an asymmetrical pitched roof edge. While firmly curving on one side, the pavilion-like back shape disappears into the vastness of the estate. The covering exemplifies a design attitude towards reinterpretation of traditional craft and building techniques. Gray-green natural slates are clad and arranged in a mass decking pattern. With the intent of building a passive home, solar panels are uniquely integrated to match the slate's color and coverage proportions. Natural crafts, beyond the significant use of bio-based materials in the project, a rich material palette contributes to defining the essence of the house. While hempcrete, a biocomposite, is used to fill out the primary structure and provides excellent insulation, loam stucco interior finishings create a warm and inviting atmosphere. As the fire crackles in the living room on a winter day, the faded blue custom-made tiles start glowing. They are part of a bigger material ecosystem, with inner imprints referencing the orchard and local stories. The house's palette presents diverse wood essences, rough and smooth textures, soft and polished, mineral, and warm tones. Lime plaster masonry and stone subsills in the front house facade contrast with the garden-like roughly sawed cedar cladding in the back. Through the interior spaces, one observes the ship-like detailed interior with mahogany glossy panels defining lower walls to roof connections and ceilings. These reflective wood surfaces meet with the oak custom-made interior elements. Smooth surfaces are made of custom terrazzo floor tiles and sinks, while bathroom walls are clad with white glazed frieze witches, frequently used in Dutch traditional interiors.